In this video, we're going to be learning how to solve one-step equations. The value of the variables that make an equation true are solutions of the equation. Solve the following equations, show all work, check your answers. So on number 1, we have y plus 3 equals 5. Our goal is to get y alone, so we want to isolate the variable. And so we have to look and see what operation is happening to the y. Right now I am adding 3 to y. Remember that the opposite, I'm going to do this over here. The opposite of addition is subtraction. The opposite of subtraction is addition. The opposite of multiplication is division. And the opposite of division is multiplication. And so we need to do what is called the inverse operation or the opposite operation to be able to solve each equation. So the opposite of adding, here we're adding 3. The opposite is to subtract 3. So I am going to subtract 3 on both sides of my equal sign. And when I say that, I mean I have the left side from my equal sign and the right side from my equal sign. So we're essentially splitting this equation into 2 parts. I'm going to bring down my y. 3 minus 3 is 0. I'm going to bring down my equal sign. 5 minus 3 is 2. Look at your answer. Here we have y equals 2. Is y by itself? Yes. So you have solved this problem. What we can do now is we can go back and we can check our work. And this is a great thing about equations because you'll know right away if you have the correct answer. So you plug into your original equation. Our equation was y plus 3 equals 5. And then we found that y was 2. So I'm going to have 2 plus 3 equals 5. And what I want to do now is I want to see if the left side of the equation equals the right side of the equation. What is 2 plus 3? 5. Does 5 equal 5? So what I'm asking is this statement true? Does 5 equal 5? And the answer is yes, that is a true statement. So we know that we have done our work correctly and that y does in fact equal 2. Let's try this again with example 2. On example 2, we have x minus 4 equals 9. Our goal is to get x by itself. Right now, we are subtracting 4 from x. How do we undo subtraction? Addition. So I'm going to add 4 to both sides of my equation. And so I'm going to have x, I'm going to bring down my x. Negative 4 plus 4 is 0. I'm going to bring down my equal sign. 9 plus 4 is 13. My original equation was x minus 4 equals 9. We found that x was 13. We're trying to prove that the left side of the equation equals the right side of the equation. 13 minus 4 is 9. Does 9 equal 9? Yes, it does. So x equals 13 is our answer. Let's look at number 3. On number 3, we have y divided by 5 equals 10. Our goal is to get y by itself. Right now, we are dividing y by 5. So to undo division, I'm going to do multiplication. Multiplication undoes division, and so that's just going to leave me with y. 10 times 5 is 50. So my answer is y equals 50. Let's check to make sure that we did that correctly. Our original equation is y divided by 5 equals 10. We found that y was 50. 50 divided by 5 is 10. Does 10 equal 10? It does. So 50 is our answer. And let's look at our last one here. Here we have 9x equals 27. We want to get x alone. What operation is happening to x right now? Multiplication. Whenever you have a variable and a letter together like this, that means that you're multiplying 9 by x. So because we have a variable with a number like this, that means that we're multiplying. And to undo multiplication, we're going to do division. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 1x is just x. 27 divided by 9 is 3. Let's check our work. Our original problem is 9x equals 27. Because this is multiplication, I'm going to use parentheses to represent that multiplication. Because if I just wrote it, it would look like 93 equals 27, which is not what we mean. We're multiplying the 9 by the 3, so that's why I'm choosing to use parentheses here. 9 times 3 is 27. Does 27 equal 27? Yes. So my answer is x equals 3.